Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your loan with LendingClub step by step clearly. To begin activating your loan with LendingClub, first, visit the LendingClub website. Sign into your account using your email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Get Started button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to your loan dashboard. Here, you'll see all your loan details and status. Locate the loan you want to activate. Click on the loan to open its details. Review the terms of the loan to ensure you understand the interest rate and repayment schedule. Look for the option to activate or accept your loan. Click on the activation button to start the process. You may be prompted to verify your identity. Provide any necessary documentation, such as proof of income or identification. After submitting your documents, wait for confirmation from LendingClub. Once your loan is activated, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email for any additional instructions regarding disbursement. Finally, monitor your account for the loan funds to be deposited into your bank account. Your loan is now activated, and you can begin planning your repayments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.